Hi guys, welcome to Naresh IT Technologies. This is Subbaraj. Today we'll see a first session on HTML5, Advanced Hypertext Markup Language. It is one of the crazy buzzword in the market. It was released in the year of 2008, but very popular from 2011 onwards, and boom started 2014 onwards. It is complete enhancement of HTML 4.01. Behind the HTML5, the main goal is how to implement lightweight web applications. It is a main concept. To develop lightweight web applications, there are several technologies available, but there is only one hypertext markup language is there right now, that is also at client side. This is popularly known as Advanced Hypertext Markup Language for all gadgets and widgets. There is a slide you are observing on the monitor, and I made different web browsers. Perfect browser compatibility existed mainly for the mobiles, tablets, gadgets. Compared to Windows operating system, other environments area, HTML5 is rocking. Of course, if you are using the latest version of Windows 10, definitely you can enjoy in all the areas. It has a big list of features, but before we are going to features, how introduce HTML5? Is HTML5 original name is HTML5 or anything else? Like that, some kind of small questions existed. You, me, and everybody. So first, let me provide solution for those questions. First one is HTML5. Original name is not HTML5. It is Web Apps 1.0. Later Web Apps 1.0 renamed as HTML5. First of all, who is this and what is this Web Apps 1.0? In the year of 2004, group of organizations gathered together to evaluate web standards, and they started one organization. That organization name is called WG, Web Hypertext Application Technology Working Group. It is an organization started by 3 companies. Number 1, Apple Corporation. Second one, Opera Organization. Third one, Mozilla Firefox or Mozilla Organization. These 3 companies, with the help of W3C, with the help of Google support, they launched what WG organization. Right, in that organization, one technology R&D started, that is web apps. In the year of 2008, a great web scientist from Google Corporation, he is popularly known as Ian Hickson. And I am showing Ian Hickson here. You can also type in your web browser and you will get complete information related to that. This is what WG organization, Web Hypertext Application Technology Working Group. That organization, if you want to view, just go to your website and play what wg.org. Once you are hitting the website, it is coming, right? These many things available here. Lots of things available. Just you can click anyone, click on FAQs. You are getting a lot of answers there. What is what WG, who started, what is the information about what WG has come out. The Web Hypertext Application Technology Working Group is growing community of people interested in evolving of the web. It focuses primarily on the development of HTML, API and needed for web applications. So it is started in 2004, as I said already. Apple, Mozilla and Opera were becoming increasingly concerned W3C. Okay, these are the main information. For more information, you can try to visit on whatwg.org. Right, he started Ian Nixon actually in the year of 2008, a Google scientist who actually renamed Web Apps 1.0 into HTML5 name. Right, we'll come back and more slides we can observe what are the features available in HTML5. So before we are observing these HTML5 features, and I said already what the standards exactly they implemented here. They implemented completely the standards for gadgets and widgets. So this is completely an enhancement. You can't compare even a single feature with HTML4 once you tested HTML5. Those many drastical, unique features are the property of HTML5. So a few features before we are going to monitor at least what is that HTML5. Now open source hypertext resources. Hypertext meaning we know already. Hypertext means specially designed English text for web browsers. Right, HTML5 equal to simple equation HTML, CSS, JavaScript. These two or three technologies combination we can say 5. Next generation features for modern web development. Exactly. It is a modern web development. UI technologies, there is a word available in the industry. This terminology entered in 2011. Before HTML5, no UI concept. Maybe UX available or other one available, but user experience or other thing different. UI technologies first time entered from HTML5. HTML5 is equal to two organizations we need to remember. What WG already explained? W3C, World Wide Web Consortium. Who is W3C? A popular organization, owner of the web, who maintains actually web standards. It is a web platform. It will be new standard for HTML. It is also perfect one. It is a new standard for the HTML. HTML5 is currently under development as a next major version of the HTML standard. So completely simply evaluated, only lightweight features available. HTML5 is markup language for structuring, presenting content for the World Wide Web and core technology of the internet. Great terminology that is. It's a core technology of the internet. Without internet, nothing. Without HTML, no web. Web is not there, no means meaning of the internet. So like that, right, HTML pushes here limits of web development. It is also a collection of technology standards that are emerging. So in this situation, in this quick situations, HTML5 need in a points I explained very clearly. And now I am coming down to right the way of web technology, and just is not I can say exactly these are the years. In software industry, no exact years of the development. Approximately I can say. So this is a rough line. HTML, HTML2, JavaScript, ultimate rocking. Soon you can see JavaScript videos. HTML4, CSS2, like this. There are the several things available. All these things completely related to rough time or rough timeline of web technologies, including 2009 HTML5. Right, as I said 2008, of course, I said approximately, I said rough line, right, and I am showing one by one features. And these are the features, 1 or 2 or 3 or 4, we can't say, number of features are there. Number 1, semantics. Actually, I need to say the first word, HTML5 semantics. This is popularly known as structural elements for better document structure. These elements are categorized into 3. Number 1, general semantics. Second one, Arabic semantics. Third one, Chinese semantics. General semantics 13 existed. Arabic semantics 2 existed. Chinese semantics 3 existed. Together 18 semantics. Semantics alias name is the structural elements. These elements only the usage is better e-newspapers implementation. Once HTML5 semantics entered e-newspapers view completely changed. That point I can say very, very clearly. Because you can observe nowadays in newspapers how simply, effectively visible behind the scenes is semantics. And second category is inline elements. These are popularly known as block level elements. Right. So like this number of features. Second one, block level elements I said. Meter, mark, progress and time. Really these are the marvelous elements to add more functionality to the web browser. What kind of functionality we are going to add? We need to check that. Each and every tag we need to check. Each and every feature we need to add to the browser. Mark is unbelievable. For example, you are searching a word, you are googling a word in Google or any search engine. I'm not saying a particular one. So I'm not a friend of Google also. So is everywhere. And just you can type one keyword, the keyword available keyword background color is coming yellow. By default, mark is called yellow. Can we change that? Definitely we can change with the help of style attribute. And after that one, meter tag, one hard disk full. One, for example, e-commerce websites I am developing and stock is not there. Stock presented, stock is ready to complete. Like this different colors of widgets we can display by using mark and meter tag. And third one is a progress. For example, I am downloading a file, I am uploading a file, or I am going to provide some kind of feature like progress. So that time I am using progress bar. So progress bar is always dynamic. By using JavaScript more effective. Practically in the next video session we'll observe all these things. And next and fine feature is called advanced forms. Related to these features, there is no words. Behind the words, we need to speak more things. Practically, we need to work. Because 13 input types, what WC given? 13 input types, one. Each one is a one rocking star. Input type is equal to date, date time local. Almost all, each and every input type is unbelievable. Input type is equal to color. You can take number of 64 million color pickers we can display. And we can say input type is equal to file, to upload a file. Input type is equal to image, number, range, whatnot. All these are comes under. That is the reason HTML5 related web is web 2.0. HTML 4.0 web is web 1.0. And means the lot of difference is there between 1 and 2. One is completely JavaScript based. Compulsory we need to write externally JavaScript there. But whereas in HTML5, built-in JavaScript is there 80%, 20% only we need to implement with our hands. So, but you need to understand here very clearly the point. The point is that whenever we are implementing these things perfectly, we need to know one thing very clearly. That is, next feature is called input level attributes. How many number of means? More than 20 plus placeholder. Or placeholder is really rocking. If you open any website, for example, nowadays world popular website, for example, Facebook I am opening. Once you are going to see Facebook web page, it is completely full of with your placeholder feature. And these placeholders are available and existed. Once if you are coming to here and these are the placeholders. So previously we are calling as watermarks. Maybe you remember that name. Yes. So that is watermark is not there right now. This watermark name only we are calling as placeholders. Placeholder next one, autofocus. Unbelievable. Your autofocus feature you can see. Email or phone already autofocus. One cursor is blinking there. Right. Autofocus next attribute is most important required. So required how much helper means it is not giving even a JavaScript line. Without writing that we can do perfect things. That is called required. Required is equal to required we can do. It is doing very simple thing. What exactly that required is, you know. So required attribute is nothing but validations. We can do number of things using required. So required I can say one good feature required also. After that that means of several attributes are there. In the several attributes the next one is called pattern. For example, I want to validate one password, only lowercase characters, uppercase characters, only numbers, particular range also we can do that. So this is also one perfect attribute for the pattern. And after the patterns, min and max available, minimum and maximum. We can say that min and max attributes. And after that attribute is step. We want to increment, for example, or decrement. Step is equal to 5, I said, 5 increment. Step is equal to, for example, I said minus 5 increment. So like that also available. So this is we are calling as spinners. So every input level there is a kind of name available, we are calling spinners. Right, come back to our again PPT, whatever we are observing. Client side storage. What is this client side storage exactly? Client side storage alias name is called local storage, offline storage, a perfect storage things, expect the unexpected. Client side storage or web storage, web SQL, offline storage, local storage, different things available here. So what exactly the meaning of local storage? At browser level, whatever the cookie operation is there, same cookie kind of operation. So what cookie performs, same thing. Enhanced capacity 10 MB, cookie maximum 4 KB. I think you people heard about the cookie. Cookie is a normal text file. So I don't want to speak more about the cookie because cookies are right now not in force. Cookies, because of our security problems, cookies now completely hide. 2 types of cookies. Yeah, 2 types of local storage. Okay, 2 types of cookies means you are saying that generally that one session cookie and persistent cookie. Same like that, client side storage is 2 types. Session cookie means session storage, local storage, same like that. Right, and next one, web worker. A web worker is a JavaScript running in the background without affecting the performance of the page. Really another unbelievable feature. I think you people knows already clearly about web browser. Web browser is nothing but what? One kind of lightweight software. Lightweight software required lightweight programming. That is the reason JavaScript that much demand in the market. Maybe tomorrow what framework will come, I don't know. But JavaScript is always king and queen in the industry because JavaScript based. Here also they are saying very clearly, web worker is a JavaScript running. Means in HTML5 area also, every inch they are speaking about JavaScript. In HTML5 area also, they are not speaking about jQuery. They are not speaking about AngularJS. Why? Means JavaScript is the base. JavaScript is client side. JavaScript is a permanent. You are related to anyone, right? The affecting the performance and dedicated workers and shared workers. So these 2 workers definitely I'll show you. WebSockets. I think if you know already chart windows. By directional operators we are calling actually. Sender receiver. Maybe there is a protocol available. What is the meaning of protocol? Set of rules between sender and receiver. Same chart windows purpose we are using. WebSockets is another unbelievable feature, this one. And next one is called file or hardware access, deeper integration with operating system. What exactly this? And file system APIs means what? We can read file, we can write file, we can append file, we can delete file, all operations we can do by using API. And next one is geolocation. Perfect, because we can capture by using latitude and longitude any person on the earth. Next one is device orientation. Perfectly. So device orientation is possible with the help of and accelerators as well as gyropers. Next one is called speech input. Yes, already it is available right now. Open the google.com web page in the Chrome web browser. Try to view that. So these are the features available. Semantics, already starting I spoke about these one only. After that I am coming to new form input types. Already I spoke. Already about I provided these attributes. Right, I am coming to next one, more semantics, text, number, email, tell. Already I said video, audio. So we need to enjoy because here words are unable to say about the video because these are the complete deeds. So you need to enjoy. Previously how much trouble we faced by using YouTube. For example, if you are opening a YouTube inside, you must download everything purpose compulsory flash or flash related player. But right now that is doesn't require. Just open the YouTube, HTML5 will be opened videos. Just my videos I am going to browse from here. Just click my videos available once you are entering. Yes, and once you clicked on my videos and any one of my video you can select or any other faculty video you can select. Just right click on that. Once you right click and it is giving complete perfect information related to that. Just you can right click and see here about HTML5 video player. Let me mute this one, otherwise you need to enjoy again 2 sounds. Right, I can mute that and you can see HTML5 video player. So perfect video, right? So HTML5 video player this is. This is a perfect one, and you can see several codes available here. Regarding these codes, definitely in upcoming videos we'll discuss. This is just only features I am discussing in this video. Right, audio same like that. Any kind of format it supports. Next one, graphics. Yes, Canvas and SVG are rocking in the market. Using Canvas, unbelievable things we can do. So I opened one blog also for that Canvas. I'll show you that one. And graphics and creating, rendering text, copying images, manipulating, whatnot, extraordinary things available. And graphics, WebGL and SVG. Now if you want to see WebGL related feature, graphics library, chromeexperiments.com you can visit, you will get all the things here. So finally, performance and improvement, all the things available. And in this video, just I explained only the features, and immediately in the second video, I'll try to explain all the things. Thank you for watching my videos. For more videos, subscribe in youtube.com/NareshIT. Have a nice day.